Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Apollo TV model and current firmware, so you fetch the correct update. This prevents mismatched files that brick devices. Once done, backup settings and favorites to a USB drive or cloud so you can restore quickly if needed. Next, enable developer or update access in settings to allow sideloads or manual installs. This gives you the permissions required for the update process and avoids permission errors later on. Now download the official firmware or signed OTA package that exactly matches your model. An incorrect file leads to failures. Transfer the file via USB or network share, or trigger the built-in updater if available. Using the TV's updater reduces manual steps. When installing, verify the checksum shown to ensure integrity, accept any permissions, and start the install. The device may reboot several times, which is normal. Do not power off during flashing to avoid corrupt. After the update completes, restore your settings and check all apps for updates to ensure compatibility. This stabilizes performance. If you see issues like boot loops or missing apps, perform a cache wipe first and then a factory reset only if problems persist, because resets erase user data. If that fails, reflash the official image using recovery mode or use the provided support tools. Contacting official support with logs is the final step to resolve stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.